here, please make sure you check out my channel. Got lots of videos about belly dancing technique as well as my life as a belly dancer. So today we've got a beautiful hand and arm video. It's been a while since we've done one of these, but after I did my back bend video last week, I thought it'd be good for me to explain the flutter arms that I did. It's a really beautiful move as well as that. It's a very common one, and hands add so much expression when we're dancing, and they really make the difference between a dance looking clean cut and professional versus a bit scruffy. So always keep in your mind your hands, and this is a really beautiful hand movement to do with lots of different moves. So if you haven't seen the back bend video, I'll just show you the movement that we did. It was like this, dropping over with our flutter arms. So how do we do our flutter arms? Firstly, you need to be really, really soft through the wrists. So if you're feeling a little bit tight, just do a few little wrist rolls one way, a few little wrist rolls the other way. Now I'll show you the move from the front and then again from the side so you can properly see. We have one hand coming out in front, so my arm is straight and my hand is dropping down. The other hand is out straight, but my palm is up. So it's like if you have something like a foam wall in front of you, you've got the back of one hand touching one side of the wall, you've got the palm of the other hand touching the other side. Now, it's all in the movement. So once you've got this position, as the hand that's at the back, so this hand here, as it comes up, it stays here, as this one comes down. So it's always the same way. With the hand that's palm facing out, that's coming down. The hand that is the back of your hand facing out, that's coming up. So coming up, and then when you get to the bottom and the top of the range, you switch over. So really slowly, I'm coming up and down. When I teach this move with my class, I tell them to imagine that they're painting the wall with their hands. So you know when you're using a paintbrush, you're going up and down with the paintbrush. If anyone's doing painting, up and down with the paintbrush, it's similar to that. You don't want to have it really stiff where your hands are like this, but you don't want to have it so soft that your hands are crunched up either. So nice energy in those fingers, nice and soft. We're coming down with the palm of the hand, up with the back of the hand, changing over. Yeah, a really nice move. From the side, just if it was hard for you to see that way, it looks like this. So again, back of the hand facing out, palm of the fat hand facing out, and then as you get to the bottom, you're changing over. Remember to stay nice and soft in your wrists, and then you can just wave it out. So this one's a really nice one if you're reaching out, reaching forward in a little arabesque. It's also really beautiful in our little back bends, as we saw. One thing that I would say with this move though as well is try not to make it too big. So you don't want to be all the way up, all the way down. It's nice to have it just about shoulder height and keeping in front. So try not to have it down low as well or up too high. Instead, just in front of your shoulders, just in front of your chest. Dropping it down to about here. You can play around with it. I mean, you can see hopefully as well, just from me demoing it, how high and how low you like to go. Yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed this move. Please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know how you went in the comments, and as always, happy dancing.